All right, the game over concert, Abby, Ivy, passing through. Abby, yeah, so far so good. How do you feel to be part of this program?
It's been good. I'm sorry I've lost my voice.
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
Everything is fine. Being on this stage is something huge for me.
Okay. So looking at the general like organization, what are the lapses, like the missing things were supposed, like you wish it could have been added to this program, or the improvement that you've seen so far?
I think the only problem I have is the artists are supposed to enter into the stadium.
Okay.
But they said we should work and come inside,
Okay.
which is very bad.
Okay.
So I think next time they should work on that.
Okay, so as usually, always I ask, what should we expect from Abby Ivy, like an album or a show or like a big something to come?
Anything great.
Yeah.
Anything great from ABI.
Okay.
And I have a new song out titled Don't Touch Me.
Okay.
So you should stream it.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for having the iPod. Thank you very much.